Hi class, wanted to wish you good luck on this particular week. A couple reminders. So this week we have probability. Now the video is due at the end of the week, but please don't think that means, oh, I've got nothing. It's like spring break 2.0. That's not the intention. It's one lesson that is broken up into two different assignments. So in my stat lab, I've actually got two separate lessons there. There's just a lot of detailed formulas. And speaking of formulas, there is a formula chart at the end of our unit that is resources for exam. So I have Excel in there. Okay, good. I think I meant review. Let's try that. Okay. Now, I'm going to probably have a little nicer formula chart than this one, but this works because it has all the different formulas that you would encounter in the textbook. But I think on the actual test itself, I'll have a prettier version. But make sure that I will give you formulas like this. So I'll give you an addition rule, and I'll let you see that the or means that you're adding, or if they're disjoint. So as you're doing homework, I would print out this formula chart and just practice using it. And then the other suggestion I'll strongly recommend is use your technology. So if you're using Excel, make sure you practice and figure out how to do everything in Excel for each problem. Or if you're using a calculator, make sure you're doing that. Calculator skills. So if you find that you don't know how to work the calculator, you are more than welcome to email me, but what I will do is I will Google it, and someone's already got a tutorial video out there, and I will forward that on to you, or you can just Google it yourself, but I don't mind talking to you and getting involved in the learning process, so please don't wait to the last second. I usually like to throw in something inspirational or silly at the end, so I'll kind of leave that at the end there. But good luck this week, and again, let me know if you have any questions, and overall how the course is going, if you have any concerns about that. Again, I updated grades last week, which is kind of why I disappeared off the announcement board, just because it takes a couple days before I get all the tests in and get the gradebook updated. No one has done anything permanent. I can use the final to replace your lowest test grade. So technically, if you are listening to me, you can still earn an A. You just have to do well, really well from here on out, no matter what you got on that first test. So keep that in mind if you're a little frustrated and overwhelmed that everyone can still pass at this class at this point. Now, I can't say that if you fail 2 tests or 3 tests in a row, but failing 1 test, I can replace it with the final, and we're all good to go. So if you have any more questions about that or just anything about the class, please feel free to email me and let me know what your concerns are.